Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Dyson V10 docking station is unavailable, misplaced, or simply not installed yet, and you are wondering how to safely charge the vacuum another way, the good news is that the process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes people assume the Dyson V10 can only charge through the wall dock, while other times they are unsure if direct charging is even supported. Since the Dyson V10 is designed to work with its charging adapter separately from the docking station, knowing the correct setup can help avoid confusion and keep charging simple. The best part is that with a few careful steps, you can safely power up your Dyson V10 without needing the docking station at all. In this video, let's go through several easy and safe steps to charge a Dyson V10 without a docking station. Try these. Step 1. Place the Dyson V10 vacuum on a flat and stable surface before charging begins. Step 2. Locate the charging port on the Dyson 510 vacuum near the handle area carefully. Step 3. Connect the official charger directly to the Dyson V10 vacuum without using the docking station. Step 4. Plug the charger connected to the Dyson V10 vacuum into a working wall outlet. Step 5. Check charging lights on the Dyson V10 vacuum to confirm power starts normally. Step 6. Disconnect the Dyson V10 vacuum once charging finishes and confirm normal operation before use.